a beautifully updated, freshly painted 1,450 square foot condo. Just move right in and love your new home in sought after Walden Pond. Suite 517 in 25 Austin Drive is a 2-bedroom plus den unit with 2 full baths and a walkout to the balcony with underground parking and convenient ensuite storage. This is truly turnkey living in a luxury building in the heart of Markham, close to everything you need, with gatehouse security, fabulous building amenities, and manicured grounds. The Emerson floor plan offers an elegant layout with huge principal rooms that fit house-sized furniture. The welcoming entrance has updated flooring, a front hall closet, and a large ensuite storage room for everything you want to keep close at hand. The spacious dining room is located right off the kitchen and is large enough to bring a full dining room suite with elegant crown and wall moldings and updated flooring. The bright adjoining living room also has updated flooring, crown and wall moldings, and fits a full suite of furniture with room to entertain. The sunny east-facing sunroom is the perfect spot for a den, a home office, or cozy reading area, with wall-to-wall windows, updated flooring, and a walkout to the terrace. The eat-in kitchen has been updated to feature ceramic flooring, white cabinetry, backsplash, under-cabinet task lighting, and updated stainless steel appliances including a smooth-top stainless steel stove, stainless steel fridge, and built-in stainless steel dishwasher. This split bedroom plan offers tons of privacy. The primary bedroom is located on the north side of the suite, designed to fit a king-size bed, and also has updated flooring and a walkout to the balcony. It has 2 walk-in closets, a 3rd double closet, and a linen closet, and an ensuite bath featuring a deep soaker tub, walk-in shower stall, comfort height toilet, and a double vanity. Moving to the opposite side of the suite, the 2nd bedroom fits a king-size bed and has updated flooring and a double closet. It's located conveniently close to the 2nd full bathroom with updated vanity doors and lighting. There's laundry tucked off the 2nd bedroom with updated stacked washer and dryer. The covered balcony is yours to enjoy rain or shine, with northeast views over the tennis courts and award-winning gardens. Your peaceful perch with a bird's-eye view of neighborhood activity. Unit 517 comes with 1 underground parking spots. All-inclusive maintenance fees make managing your bills very easy. 25 and 55 Austin Drive, also known as Walden Pond 1 and 2, are 2 of Markham and Unionville's most popular condominium buildings, and it's easy to see why. Built by Tridel, there's 24-hour gatehouse security and acres of lush gardens. The all-inclusive maintenance fees cover your heat, hydro, central air, water, cable television, internet, and the use of the renovated building amenities, including an indoor pool, whirlpool, change rooms with saunas, exercise room, billiards room, library, games room, guest suites, tennis courts, and outdoor lounging areas with barbecues. There's an active social scene with many resident-led activities. The location is unparalleled, right at the corner of Bullock Drive and Highway 7 with access to several bus lines. You can walk to Markville Mall, groceries, the Centennial GO Station, and the Centennial Community Center, and there are nature trails right at your doorstep. You're also very close to the 407 and 404 and Unionville Main Street shops and restaurants. For more information about this jewel of a condo, call or text us at 416-888-5640, email us at info@walkerparker.ca, or visit us online at www.walkerparker.ca.